Okay, hello guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna install the fender to the driver side. It's missing the guard here, splash guard in the Corolla 2013. So we lift the car a little bit up, so we're gonna have more space here, so it's gonna make the job a little bit easier. So we're gonna open the fender which we have here and a couple of pins for it. That's what you're gonna need. You have to order for Corolla. They send the whole set of different clips and screws, and this is the fender right here, and we're gonna install this. Hopefully this video will help you guys to understand how to install it, so just stay tuned for that. Okay, hold this camera for me. There is already screws there, so we need to take those off right here. The fender pins are already like twisted, so we have to make them straight. Turn the steering. Yeah, this one is separate. So I have to take this off. Take this off from bottom. Let me see which one it is. There we go. Okay. So I want to put the screw there first. That spot. But this screw seems like yep, it's not for this position. So since they sent us this one, I'm gonna install this one here. Okay. This one is strong now. Alright guys, it's fixed right now, barely. We try to fix it. They send these wrong screw, so we have to deal with them. We just want to get rid of this thing, finish it. A couple of pins here and a couple up there. This side was a little bit easier. Couple of there, here, this screw, and the bottom side also, like 2-3 of them. So far better than nothing. So that's how you do it. Just buy like 22 to 25, I think $25 piece, and you can do it easily at home. But remember, don't buy this one. Buy the one has the pointy screws front of them. That's gonna go fit this car in the factory setting. But if you put in this, then they send you these things with this. That's how you're gonna fix it, but it's gonna take more time and it's harder to do. So if you buy these screws, the pointy one, you can easily install those in the factory pins that are already there in the Toyota Corolla. So that's about it. So we'll see you guys in the next one.